फीडबैक एंड रिव्यूज। अब तुमने अपने क्लाइंट के साथ काम करा, उन्हें अपना डिलीवरेबल दिया, नाउ इट इज टाइम फॉर यू टू आस्क देम how did they find your work, what are their thoughts on your services, thoughts on how you can improve your services, thoughts on what was extremely good about your services. You have to take those reviews. So उसके लिए तुम्हें क्या करना है कि make a Google form for it, write some questions. Okay, what are your thoughts on my services, how much would you rate my services out of 10, would you recommend me to someone else, etc. Questions लिखो Google form में and share that Google form at the end of first month with your client and ask them gently to fill the form. You need those reviews. उससे होगा कि तुम्हारे पास testimonials build होंगे और तुम्हारे पास case studies build होगी। जितने testimonials तुम्हारे पास ज़्यादा होंगे उतना ज़्यादा तुम्हारे पास social proof होगा, जितना ज़्यादा social proof होगा उतना नए लोग तुम्हारे साथ काम करने में comfortable होंगे क्योंकि trust factor बढ़ जाएगा। The more social proof there is, the more authentic you seem to people who are unknown to the work that you do. If that makes sense, right? So it is important to actually gather those reviews and feedbacks once you have delivered your work and the timeline of your project is completed initially. People ignore it. They are like, ठीक है मैं काम कर लिया, पैसे आ गए, मजा आ गया, स्नीकर खरीदते हैं, अच्छा खाना खाते हैं, बाहर घूमने आते हैं, अपना काम हो गया। Dude, you need to be sustainable, right? It is not about कि मैंने एक बार पैसे कमा लिए तो हो गया मेरा काम। हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा पहला क्लाइंट तुम्हें बस $200 के लिए मिले, हो सकता है तुम्हें पहला क्लाइंट बस $500 थे या $400 थे। In order for you to reach that $1,000, you need to follow all these steps religiously. Do not skip any step or do not take any step for granted. You need reviews or testimonials in order for you to sign higher paying clients. अगर तुम्हें अपनी सर्विसेज बढ़ानी है तो तुम अपनी सर्विसेज किस बेसिस पे बढ़ाओगे? तुम लोगों को क्या बोलोगे कि तुमने अपनी सर्विसेज क्यों बढ़ाई? अगर तुम्हारे पास अच्छे टेस्टिमोनियल्स, रिव्यूज और केस स्टडीज हैं तो तुम उसके बेसिस पे अपनी सर्विसेज की प्राइसिंग हाई एंड कर सकते हो। अगर तुम $1,000 चार्ज कर रहे हो तो तुम उसके लिए $2,000 चार्ज कर सकते हो क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क है। मार्केट में ऐसे लोग हैं जो तुम्हारे लिए चीयर कर रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा इस इंसान का काम अच्छा है। दैट इज व्हाई रिव्यूज एंड टेस्टिमोनियल्स आर एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट। ठीक है, दैट्स द फिफ्थ स्टेप। नेक्स्ट वन इज पॉलिशिंग योर स्किल्स। तुमने वीडियो एडिटिंग सीख के और जो मैंने तुम्हें बताया वो करके अगर एक क्लाइंट साइन कर लिया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है यू आर द मास्टर ऑफ दैट स्किल। ठीक है, यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस ह्यूमिलिटी, यू नीड टू हैव ह्यूमिलिटी इवन इफ यू हैव साइंड अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स एट द स्टार्ट, बिकॉज गुड टाइम्स फटाफट चले जाते हैं एंड व्हेन शिट गेट्स हार्ड, व्हेन यू आर अनेबल टू साइन क्लाइंट्स, व्हेन यू रियली वांट देम, all the arrogance that you have, all the humility that you never showed at the start fades away. It messes up with you because of your lack of humility. ठीक है, तुम अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, well and good. Still, there are a lot of things in the world that you need to learn, that you need to master, that you need to work upon. तुम एक महीने में किसी भी स्किल को मास्टर नहीं कर सकते। पैसे कमाना is not the reflection of mastery. The better you get at your skill, the more money you actually make. It is very simple. So do not ignore the fact that you need to learn and work on your skill every day. Extremely important. You have to learn about your skill, whatever the skill might be. I am learning about marketing from last 2.5 years and I still think I do not know a lot of things. There are so many things to actually work around, so many things to consume, so many great people doing great things whose knowledge you want to consume. That is why always practice humility. Be gratitude for what you have, but always practice humility. Please keep your ego aside. Please do not get arrogant when you start earning money at the start. A lot of people, when they start earning money, because they had no money in their bank account, now they have $1,000 coming to their bank account every month. Even though $1,000 is nothing, like 70,000 rupees is nothing in the, I would say, macro of the universe. But for some people, it is a lot because they've never seen a single penny. So 70,000 seems like a lot of money, and then they get arrogant and they're like, "ठीक है, मुझे सब कुछ आता है. I do not want to learn." You have to be student. You have to remain student for the rest of your life in order for you to achieve the greatness. You cannot learn everything in the shorter span of time. You need to invest your attention, your energy, your focus, your time in getting great at that one skill. So you have to be student for the rest of your life, right? And that's why I say polish your skills, always work on skills, because the more better you get at your skills, the more money you essentially earn.